Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Hanson at the Town and Country Public Library. This afternoon we're going to make bird's nests. Not the kind for birds to live in and hatch their eggs, but the yummy kind that you can actually eat. So for this cooking this afternoon, you're going to need a package of chocolate chips. I have semi-sweet. You can get milk chocolate if you wanted. A fourth a cup of peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanut butter, I have seen recipes that use butterscotch morsels if you want. And chow mein noodles, big package of that. And then of course Cadbury eggs or jelly beans to put in as the eggs for your nest. The other items you're going to need are a microwave safe bowl, a bowl to mix everything in, your measuring cup, like a little spatula, a spoon, plastic wrap or wax paper, and either a tray of some sort, or we're gonna try it in a muffin tin and see how that works out. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just dump all my chocolate chips into my microwave safe measuring cup. That was easy. And then you're going to measure a fourth of a cup of, I'm using peanut butter, but if you decide to use the butterscotch morsels, which I'm just going to put off to the side, you can. Okay. Yummy. I'm using creamy peanut butter too. Okay. All right, and then just use your spatula to get it out. And you're putting it in with the chocolate chips, and then we're gonna microwave it. Okay. All right, so I have my fourth cup of peanut butter, my package of chocolate chips, and now I'm off to microwave it. You microwave it on high, 30-second intervals. Mix it between the intervals until it's completely melted and incorporated. So off I go. Okay, so I melted my chocolate and peanut butter, and that took a minute and a half. It may vary depending upon your microwave. So now I have my nice gooey chocolate, which I love, and we're going to incorporate the chocolate and peanut butter into our chow mein noodles. I'm going to use my teeth. Dentists tell you not to do that, but I don't have anything else. There. Okay. I'm going to pour some of the chow mein noodles in first, and then I'm going to mix it with the chocolate. There we go. Okay, so I poured about half of the chow mein noodles in, probably more than half. I'm going to put my chocolate in. Ooh, this looks unbelievable and fabulous. Smells good too. Just trying to get all the chocolate out, because you know that's the best part. Okay, then you just kind of fold it, pull the chow mein noodles from the bottom to the top. I'm just doing this. So you get chocolate on all the noodles. I probably should have used, gotten a bigger spatula, but this is working okay. Oh, there we go. There's a pocket of chocolate. Oh, yummy, yummy, yum. Okay, I'm gonna add the rest of these. Oops. Set that up to the side. There we go. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. Taking my time and coating each little twig here. There. Okay. Okay. Looks pretty good. Okay. So if you haven't already washed your hands in the beginning before cooking like I did, now would be a time to make sure that you go wash your hands. I'm going to start out with the tray. Get that out of the way. And just put a tablespoon of this ooey gooey mixture. Kind of make it like a nest. So there's a little heaping tablespoon. I'm putting it onto, I don't know if you can tell, but there's saran wrap on this tray. You can use wax paper too if you want. Okay, and you just kind of want to make it look like a nest. Do a couple of these in here. And then I also wanted to try using a muffin tin, so it might be easier to stay formed, and we'll see which one we like better. This is very messy, so if you do not like getting things on your fingers, make sure you have a paper towel handy. Okay, so I have 3 there. That middle one needs a few more twigs, I think. So I'm going to just grab a few more. And you kind of be artistic, make it look like a nest. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside and let them harden, let the chocolate harden, so that you can get your eggs in there. Okay, now I'll try using a muffin tin. I didn't bring any cooking spray. If they stick, then I would probably try using cooking spray, or maybe little cupcake, little cupcake papers. So we'll see. This out of the way. Those will come in handy later. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a little bit easier, and I'm hoping to see it automatically forms into a round shape. I'm hoping that they come out. I have to probably put them in the freezer. It's a little less messy too. Although who cares, it's chocolate. This is gonna make a whole bunch, which is great, because if you have leftover Cadbury eggs from Easter, you'll be able to use them for this. Or jelly beans. I'm not a big fan of jelly beans. Ah, get off. Okay, so just kind of tapping them around. There we go. We have 4 of those. All right, now I'm gonna just go pop them in the freezer and let them set up for a little bit. Okay, these have been set up for about 5 minutes in the fridge. I'm thinking that I probably should have put the Cadbury eggs in while the nest was still gooey, but I didn't. So I'm going to use a couple eggs, and I'm going to put a little chocolate on them, and that should glue it to the nest. So I'm just using the little bit of chocolate here, putting it on the bottom of the egg and sticking it in the nest. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's do a yellow one. A little extra chocolate. And this acts like a glue. We'll put 2 in there, 2 in that nest. Super cute. And we'll get a pink one. I'm a little nervous about those cupcake ones. We'll see if they come out of the tin all right. One there. There. Oh, one more. The blue one in there. Can never have enough chocolate. There. Okay, so that's those. They look really cute. All right, so let's see if these come out of the tray. Oh, super easy. Look at that. They came right out with just a little twist. So I would probably choose to use the muffin tin since they form a more round nest-like shape, and they came out just fine. So that's that one. All right, so that's how you make spring bird's nest that you can eat.